Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that deserve your hard-earned money. In today's video, we are going to break down the top 3 wire strippers available on the market. Our team has reviewed many products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our ranking based on many factors such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the manufacturer's reputation. So watch this video till the end. At number 3. Knoweasy Automatic Wire Stripper and Cutter. This automatic wire stripper and cutter works with single conductor 7 to 32 AWG stranded or solid wire. This wire tool is great for working on many wire types such as stripping speaker wire and fixing strip length according to requirements. This highly professional tool is made of steel strips and glass fiber nylon, making it suitable for cutting off copper, cable, and aluminum wire. It has self-adjusting jaws to strip wire and eliminates the need to manually readjust these stripping pliers. This versatile cutter and stripper works with fine, thick single, multi-stranded conductors, PVC, and other insulation types. At number 2. WGGE 015 Professional Wire Stripper. This wire stripper is a professional tool that cuts strip wire and loops 10 to 22 AWG solid copper wire or aluminum cables. It features a strong grip serrated nose for easy bending, shaping, and pulling of wire to give comfortable working experience. One of the prominent features of this tool is that its cutting action that combines with an ergonomic curved handle to make cutting more easily. This multi-tool wire stripper can be used to crimp both insulated and non-insulated terminals with ease and convenience. WGGE wire stripper and cutter is made from high-carbon alloy steel that guarantees lifetime stripping with same accuracy. At number 1. Klein Tools Wire Cutter, Wire Stripper. This wire stripper and cutter cuts and strips 8 to 20 AWG solid and 10 to 22 AWG stranded wire with much ease and convenience. Its compound action stripping system allows perfect grip and strip via single action squeezing motion. It includes precision machined stripping holes that easily remove insulation without damaging the wire. This cutter is capable of removing up to 1 inch, 25 millimeters, in length of the insulation layer in a single step. It features tension-loaded wire grip that gently holds the cable while retaining the cable geometry. That's all. You can see the latest prices and find out more information about the products we mentioned in this video using the links below in the description. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching our video. Until next time, have a nice day.